In today's video I'm going to show you how to speed up your mobile phone. First, open your phone settings. Here you need to go to About Phone. Then click on 7 times on Built Number. Then it will enable your developer options. If you are already enabled it, it will show no need. You are already developer like this. Then developer options will be placed as a separated setting. It will be on system settings like this. Here you need to scroll down until you found a developer options. Here you need to set this 3 settings to 0.5 times or 0. Now you can see the difference like this. Thanks for watching, and make sure to save this video, because if you need to change this without find this video again.